Hello, lovers of realistic miniatures! Barbie has some new dresses in her wardrobe. Let's see how it's done. Wrap a piece of red lace tightly around the doll's body. Level the edge, remove the excess fabric from the back, attach the Velcro fastener to the workpiece. Glue the second edge of the fabric on top. Carefully unbutton the clasp and cut off the excess lace exactly along the Velcro line. Try it on again, and then shorten it to the size of the top. Glue 2 semicircular blanks with an open work edge along the side seams. Carefully press along the connection lines and turn it out. Put on a ready-made doll top, a lace skirt from below, and connect it at the waist with a gold strap. Fix it and decorate it. 3 threads of a miniature chain are collected in a necklace with a gold strip of foam paper. Put it on the doll. Barbie is absolutely delighted with the result. Lace dress with elegant gold embroidery looks great. It is a luxurious outfit for a fairy tale princess. The next dress is made from a snow white sock. Cut off the rounded tip, fold it in half, and make holes for the hands. Straighten the dress, then carefully put it on the doll. Let it down on the hangers, pull up the bottom of the dress well, form the cleavage line, decorate the neckline of the dress with a pink ribbon, beautifully tie its ends, and attach miniature pink pom-poms, one and the second. Fasten the wide straps. The edges of the slices on the bottom and armholes are smeared with hot glue. How do you like the new look? Doesn't Barbie look very stylish? Draw a circle on the green fabric and carefully cut it out. Fold in 4 and cut out the middle. Draw the blank into 8 identical parts and cut it. Assemble the skirt. Using hot glue, connect all the wedges along the long side. Then cut a little along the waistline. Assemble the skirt in a circle, insert the clasp, put the finished skirt on the doll, cut out the bodice of the dress, draw the darts, carefully cut out and glue it together, round off the bottom of the finished top, connect the top of the sundress with a skirt. Decorate it with a yellow ribbon. On the back, there is a beautiful bright bow. An elegant sundress with an open back is great. Look, a shiny sundress, a lace dress with filigree gold embroidery, and a fashionable noodle dress made of white knitwear. Barbie has wonderful new clothes.